In this video, you will learn how to create a 3D model in LD-RAW format in LeoCAD so that you could later upload it to CAD Drive. When entering LeoCAD, you see a standard graphical user interface, a title bar, menus and toolbars at the top, a workspace at the center, and tool windows to the right. The workspace area is where one or more views of your model are displayed. To the right is a tool window that shows a list of available parts and a palette of available colors. Let's building our first model, a model of a bridge. First of all, you should add a base of the bridge. Scroll down the parts list until you find the base plate group, then select base plate 8x8 and drag it from the parts list into the model view. Add one more base plate. Now let's build a bridge itself and make it blue. Click on the blue rectangle in the Colors tool window just below the Parts list, and you will notice that the images change accordingly. To create a bridge span, you can use bricks, for example, brick 2x4. You can easily find them if you type the name in the search field. Add the brick into the workplace and move your mouse over the arrows on top of the brick. You can notice that when it is over one of them, it will turn yellow, and the mouse pointer will change to an icon with 4 arrows. This means that if you hold the left mouse button down now and move the mouse, the currently selected pieces will move along the line where the arrow is. Similarly, if you select a curved arrow, you can rotate the pieces. Let's add a few more bricks, then copy the part and paste it back. When you paste a copy, it is placed in the same position as the one you copied it from, so you need to move the new parts. To change the color of the base, choose a color from the palette, click on Paint at the top, and then the base plates. Save the model on your disk. Watch our next video to learn how to create submodels in CAD Drive.